How to delete Discord messages. So the very first step is to open your Discord app, and then if you want to delete a message from your direct messages, there is no way that you may delete all of these messages. However, what I would suggest is to close this specific DM. So go ahead, go back right here, press and hold onto that specific conversation and click on close DM right here. So again, there's no way to delete all of these messages. However, you may only close this DM. If you want to delete a message or a specific message, for example, on a server like here, you may um, select your message. So press and hold onto that message and then click on delete message right here. Just hit confirm or yes right here, and then your message will be deleted. So for example, I'll tap in once again, press and hold into that message, click on delete message, click on yes, and then that's it. That's how you can delete Discord messages.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.